Hello, I'm Diesel and I am one of the teachers on the Frog Project. Today I'd like to share with you a little bit about my upcoming series of workshops that I'll be doing on the Frog Project called Happy Bits. So the idea behind Happy Bits is that when we start on a journey of taking care of ourselves, maybe wanting to become fitter, healthier or happier, there's actually so many different things to learn. And it's very much a journey. We don't just make the decision, do a few classes and then we're there. There are many different parts to it. One part being obviously moving our bodies, but secondly is also understanding how we move our bodies. For many years when I started a yoga practice, I would have things after class that wouldn't always feel good. I've always had back problems, so I really had to look into understanding anatomy on a little bit of a deeper level in order to learn how to modify the postures and the practice for myself, because yoga is super accessible. It can be done by everybody and anybody. But understanding what your body needs is really important as part of this journey. So knowing that there is a lot in our bodies that need attention, I've split the workshops into 3, starting with the first one called Happy Hips, and then Happy Spine and Happy Shoulders. And the idea is that if you attend the workshop month 1 and you learn about one part of the body, you have some time to integrate all of that information, put it into practice, see how you can use this knowledge to improve or make your practice feel better, because that's what it comes down to. It's not about becoming a super athlete, but it's about really feeling good in your body day to day. And we'll do the same then with Happy Spine and Happy Shoulders. So as I said, the first workshop is Happy Hips, and we're doing that in the middle of March. And I'd really love to have you on the workshop, and we'll explore a little bit the anatomy itself. You won't need to remember all these names, but it helps to have a mental picture of how things work, so that when you're in your body, you can be like, oh yeah, this goes this way and that goes that way, and there it feels good. Part of the workshop will also be a practice, so it's very practical. I believe that you can't actually learn things about the body without moving the body. So we'll have a look at the anatomy, then we'll explore how that feels in the body, maybe see if we can figure out where your particular problem or challenge lies, maybe recognizing that some muscles are a little bit weaker than others or tighter. So getting to really understand your body in a very intimate, personal way. And then we'll move through a practice for you to kind of apply all these ideas that we've explored. And then lastly, we'll end with a yoga nidra. You'll also get a little bit of a handout to go back to afterwards, because learning doesn't happen if we do things once. We need to do things a few times for it to really kind of sink in. So I would really love to see you on this workshop. You're welcome to sign up via the Frog Project. All the links are on the website and the usual places. And I'll see you soon.